Assalamualaikum everyone. This is me Mehtab Amin, student at Johan School on Air Academy. So today I'm doing an interview with Erik on that new topic, and the topic of our interview is that the elusive snow leopard, Pakistan's
Please let me.
preset gem. So hello, how are you?
I'm here to assist you. Please provide your question or topic of interest regarding the interview or any other subject.
Okay. So now tell me that what is the scientific name of the snow leopard?
The scientific name of the stone rabbit, commonly known as the pika, is Ocatona. There are several species within this genus, but Ocatona princeps is one of the most recognized.
Okay. Now tell me that what regions in Pakistan are home to snow leopards?
In Pakistan, the regions where conservation efforts for the snow leopard are particularly focused include 1. Northern areas, such as Gilgit-Baltistan, where the snow leopard's habitat is prevalent. 2. Kagan Valley, located in the Mansur district, known for its mountainous terrain. 3. Hunza Valley, a key area for snow leopard sightings and conservation initiatives. 4. Astor Valley, another important region for snow leopard conservation efforts. 5. Chitral, home to the Chitral Gal National Park, which supports snow leopard populations. These areas are critical for preserving the snow leopard's habitat and supporting biodiversity.
Okay. Now tell me that how does the snow leopard adapt to the cold climate of the Himalayas?
The snow leopard has several adaptations that enable it to thrive in the cold climate of the Himalayas. 1. Thick fur. They have a dense, soft coat that provides insulation against cold temperatures. 2. Layer of fat. A layer of fat beneath their skin helps retain body heat. 3. Large paws. Their wide, furry paws act like snowshoes, allowing them to walk on snow without sinking. 4. Camouflage. Their spotted coat helps them blend into rocky terrains, aiding in hunting and avoiding detection. 5. Behavioral adaptations. Snow leopards are crepuscular, being most active during dawn and dusk, which helps them avoid extreme temperatures. In contrast, the weather data from Heimji, Japan, shows a current temperature of 86 degrees with mostly cloudy conditions, indicating a much warmer climate than the snow leopard's natural habitat. The forecast also shows a high of 94 degrees, which is significantly different from the cold, mountainous regions where snow leopards are found.
Okay. So now tell me that what is the current population estimate of snow leopards in Pakistan?
The current population estimate of snow leopards in Pakistan is approximately 200 to 420 individuals. This estimate varies due to the elusive nature of the species and the challenges in conducting comprehensive surveys across their rugged habitats in the northern regions of the country. Conservation efforts are ongoing to monitor and protect this vulnerable species.
Okay. Now tell me that what are the main threats to snow leopard in Pakistan?
The main threats to snow leopards in Pakistan include 1. Habitat loss, deforestation, land development, and climate change reduce their natural habitat. 2. Human-wildlife conflict. Livestock predation leads to retaliatory killings by herders. 3. Poaching. Illegal hunting for pelts and body parts poses a significant threat. 4. Decreased prey availability. Overhunting of their natural prey such as ibex and markhor affects their survival. 5. Climate change. Altered weather patterns can impact their habitat and prey distribution. Addressing these threats is crucial for the conservation of snow leopards in the region.
Okay. Now tell me that how do snow leopard contribute to the ecosystem in their habitat?
Snow leopards play a vital role in their ecosystem as apex predators. Their contributions include 1. Prey population control. By hunting herbivores like ibex and sheep, they help maintain a balance in prey populations, preventing overgrazing and promoting vegetation health. 2. Biodiversity maintenance. Their presence supports a diverse range of species by regulating prey dynamics, which in turn sustains various plant and animal life in their habitat. 3. Scavenger support. Leftover carcasses from their kills provide food for scavengers.
Okay. So now tell me that what conservation efforts are in place to protect snow leopards in Pakistan?
Such as vultures and other carnivores, contributing to the nutrient cycle. 4. Indicator species. As a species sensitive to environmental changes, snow leopards serve as indicators of ecosystem health, reflecting the overall state of their habitats. Overall, snow leopards are essential for maintaining the conservation efforts to protect snow leopards in Pakistan include 1. Protected areas. Establishment of national parks and wildlife reserves such as Kundrab National Park and Dusay National Park to safeguard their habitat. 2. Community involvement, engaging local communities in conservation efforts through education and awareness programs, promoting coexistence with wildlife. 3. Monitoring programs, use of camera traps and tracking to monitor snow leopard populations and their prey, helping to gather data for effective management. 4. Anti-poaching initiatives, strengthening law enforcement to combat poaching and illegal wildlife trade, along with community-based patrols. 5. Research and collaboration, partnerships with international organizations, such as the Snow Leopard Trust, to conduct research and implement conservation strategies. 6. Livestock protection, providing support for livestock protection measures, such as guard dogs and predator-proof enclosures, to reduce human-wildlife conflict. These efforts aim to enhance the survival of snow leopards and their ecosystems in Pakistan.
Okay. Now tell me that how does the climate change impact snow leopards' habitat in Pakistan?
I'm sorry, I don't know where you were asking about. Can you ask that again, but include where you want the weather for?
I'm saying that what are the primary prey species for snow leopards in Pakistan?
The primary prey species for snow leopards in Pakistan include 1. Ibex. The Himalayan ibex is one of the main prey species, thriving in rocky terrains. 2. Markhor. This wild goat species is found in mountainous regions and is an important food source. 3. Blue sheep parle. These sheep inhabit steep, rugged areas and are a significant part of the snow leopard's diet. 4. Marmots. These ground-dwelling rodents are also hunted, particularly in the summer months. 5. Picas, small mammals that are common in alpine environments and service prey. The availability of these prey species is crucial for the survival of snow leopards in their natural habitat.
Okay. Now tell me that how do local communities perceive snow leopards in Pakistan?
Local communities in Pakistan have mixed perceptions of snow leopards. 1. Cultural significance. In some areas, snow leopards are respected and seen as symbols of wilderness and biodiversity, contributing to local cultural identity. 2. Human-wildlife conflict. Many communities experience conflict due to livestock predation, leading to negative attitudes towards snow leopards. Retaliatory killings can occur when herders lose livestock.
Okay. Now tell me that how do researchers track and study snow leopards in Pakistan?
3. Conservation awareness. Education and awareness programs have improved understanding of the ecological importance of snow leopards, fostering more positive attitudes among some community members. 4. Economic incentives. Initiatives that promote ecotourism and provide compensation for livestock losses can help communities see the value of conserving snow leopards. 5. Community involvement. Engaging local communities in conservation efforts, such as monitoring and protecting snow leopards, can enhance cooperation and support for their protection. Overall, the relationship between local communities and snow leopards is complex and influenced by both economic and cultural factors. Researchers track and study snow leopards in Pakistan using several methods. 1. Camera traps. Automated cameras are set up in various locations to capture images of snow leopards and monitor their population and behavior. 2. GPS collaring. Some snow leopards are fitted with GPS collars to track their movements and habitat use over time, providing valuable data on their range and behavior. 3. Field surveys. Researchers conduct field surveys to collect data on snow leopard signs, such as tracks, scat, and markings, to estimate population density and distribution. 4. Local knowledge. Collaboration with local communities helps researchers gather information on sightings and behaviors, enhancing understanding of snow leopard ecology. 5. Genetic analysis. Collecting and analyzing genetic samples from snow leopards can help determine population structure and genetic diversity. These methods collectively contribute to a better understanding of snow leopards and inform conservation strategies in Pakistan.
Okay. Now tell me that what are the key physical characteristics of a snow leopard? Can you hear me?
The key physical characteristics of snow leopards include 1. Thick fur, a dense soft coat that provides insulation against cold temperatures, with a coloration that varies from smoky gray to yellowish tan, featuring dark rosettes and spots for camouflage. 2. Large paws, wide, furry paws that act like snowshoes, preventing them from sinking in snow and aiding in movement across rugged terrain. Yes, I can hear you. Please
Okay, now tell me that how do snow leopards maintain their territory?
proceed with your questioning. Snow leopards maintain their territory through several behaviors. 1. Marking territory. They use scent markings, such as urine and feces, to communicate their presence and establish boundaries. Scratching on rocks and trees also helps mark territory. 2. Vocalizations. Snow leopards use vocal sounds, such as growls, chuffing, and yowls, to communicate with other snow leopards and assert their territory. 3. Patrolling. They regularly patrol their territory to monitor for intruders and reinforce their presence, ensuring that they maintain control over their hunting grounds. 4. Avoiding conflict. Snow leopards often avoid direct confrontations with other snow leopards, relying on scent and vocalizations to deter rivals and minimize conflicts. 5. Territorial size. Their territory size can vary based on prey availability and environmental conditions, with males typically having larger territories than females. These behaviors help snow leopards effectively establish and maintain their territories in mountainous regions.
Okay, now tell me that how do snow leopards communicate with each other?
Snow leopards communicate with each other through several methods. 1. Vocalizations. They produce a range of sounds including growls, chuffing, yowls, and hisses to convey different messages, such as warning of danger or attracting a mate. 2. Scent marking. Snow leopards use urine, feces, and scent glands located on their paws and face to mark territory and communicate their presence to other leopards. 3. Body language. Physical postures and movements can indicate aggression, submission, or readiness to mate, helping convey their emotional state. 4. Visual signals. They may use visual displays, such as tail movements and facial expressions, to communicate with other snow leopards, especially during mating rituals. 5. Scratching. Scratching on trees or rocks not only marks territory, but also serves as a visual signal to other snow leopards about their presence. These communication methods play a crucial role in social interactions, territory establishment, and mating behaviors among snow leopards.
Okay, now tell me that how many cubs do snow leopard typically have at one time?
Snow leopards typically give birth to 2 to 4 cubs per litter. However, litters of up to 5 cubs have been reported. The exact number can vary based on factors such as the health and age of the mother and environmental conditions.
Okay, now tell me that how long do snow leopard cubs stay with their mothers?
Snow leopard cubs typically stay with their mothers for about 18 to 22 months. During this time, they learn essential survival skills, such as hunting and navigating their mountainous habitat, before becoming independent.
Okay, now tell me that what are some of the key behaviors of snow leopards?
Key behaviors of snow leopards include 1. Solitary nature. Snow leopards are generally solitary animals, except during mating season or when a mother is raising her cubs. 2. Nocturnal activity. They are primarily crepuscular, being most active during dawn and dusk, which helps them avoid detection by both prey and potential threats. 3. Territorial marking. They use scent marking, vocalizations, and visual cues to establish and defend their territory. 4. Hunting techniques. Snow leopards are skilled hunters, using stealth and ambush tactics to catch prey, often stalking from a distance before pouncing. 5. Adaptability. They exhibit behaviors that allow them to adapt to harsh mountainous environments, such as using their long tail for balance and navigating rocky terrains. 6. Vocal communication. They communicate through various vocalizations, including growls, chuffs, and yowls, to convey messages to other snow leopards. These behaviors are essential for their survival in the challenging environments they inhabit.
Okay, now tell me that how do snow leopards hunt their prey?
It seems there might be a misunderstanding in your question.
Okay,
If you meant store leopards, please clarify what aspect you're referring to, as
okay.
snow leopards are wild animals and not
I can change my question, and my next question
something
with you is that what
that.
challenges do snow leopards face during the winter months?
Goodbye. If you have more questions if you have any questions, snow leopards face several challenges during the winter months. 1. Food scarcity. Prey availability can decrease in winter due to harsh weather conditions, making hunting more difficult. 2. Harsh weather, extreme cold, heavy snowfall, and avalanches can limit their mobility and access to hunting grounds. 3. Increased competition. With limited resources, Competition for food among snow leopards and other predators may intensify. 4. Human encroachment. Habitat loss and human activities, such as poaching and livestock grazing, can further reduce available prey and suitable habitat. 5. Health risks. The cold weather can lead to increased stress and vulnerability to illness, particularly if food is scarce and body conditioning declines. These challenges can impact their survival and reproductive success during winter months.
Okay. Now tell me that how do snow leopards avoid predators?
Snow leopards employ several strategies to avoid predators. 1. Camouflage. Their thick pattern fur helps them blend into rocky and snowy environments, making it difficult for predators to spot them. 2. Stealth and agility, allowing them to evade potential threats. High-altitude habitat. Snow leopards typically inhabit steep, mountainous areas that are less accessible to larger predators, reducing encounters. 4. Nocturnal behavior. Being primarily crepuscular, they are most active during dawn and dusk, which helps them avoid daytime predators. 5. Territoriality. By establishing and defending their territory, snow leopards can reduce competition and encounters with other predators. These behaviors collectively help snow leopards minimize the risk of predation in their natural habitat.
Okay. Now tell me that what are the key differences between snow leopards and their big cats?
Key differences between snow leopards and other big cats include 1. Physical adaptations. Snow leopards have thick fur and large, furry paws adapted for cold, mountainous environments, while other big cats may have different adaptations suited to their habitats. 2. Tail length. Snow leopards possess exceptionally long tails, which help with balance and communication. Other big cats have shorter tails relative to their body size. 3. Habitat. Snow leopards are primarily found in high-altitude mountainous regions of Central and South Asia, whereas other big cats, such as lions and tigers, inhabit a variety of ecosystems, including savannas, forests, and grasslands. 4. Social behavior. Snow leopards are generally solitary, while some big cats, like lions, are social and live in prides. 5. Vocalizations. Snow leopards cannot roar like other big cats such as lions and tigers due to differences in their larynx structure. Instead, they communicate through chuffing and other sounds. 6. Prey preference. Snow leopards primarily hunt mountain-dwelling prey, like ibex and blue sheep, while other big cats have a broader range of prey types depending on their environment. These differences highlight the unique adaptations and behaviors of snow leopards compared to other members of the big cat family.
Okay. So now explain me that how do snow leopards use their tail for balance?
It seems there might be some confusion in your question regarding storing leopard shoes. If you are referring to how to properly store shoes that have a leopard print design or are made from leopard skin, here are some tips. 1. Clean before storing. Ensure the shoes are clean and dry before storing to prevent damage from dirt or moisture. 2. Use shoe trees. Insert shoe trees to help maintain their shape and prevent creasing. 3. Store in a cool, dry place. Keep shoes in a cool, dry environment away from direct sunlight to prevent fading and material degradation. 4. Use dust bags or boxes. Store shoes in dust bags or original boxes to protect them from dust and scratches. 5. Avoid overcrowding. Ensure there is enough space between shoes to avoid crushing or deforming them. If this is not what you meant, please clarify your question for more accurate assistance.
Okay, so everyone, this is my interview with Erik, and hope so you like. If you like, so hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And We will meet in the next interview with another topic of discussion. So till then, Allah Hafiz.
Thank you for the update.